You know, but do your thing. She come too sexy, spice like New Orleans, yeah. All I do is win. Win, win, win.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Camille and you know I post cute hairstyle videos and something in between. So today I'll be showing you how I actually put my faux locks in, and this is I find one of the easiest steps to get it done. So first I actually braided my hair with some, well, you could use whatever braid you have. I braided my hair because my hair wasn't long enough, depending on, well, for the length that I wanted the faux lock to be, my hair wasn't long enough for that. So I just added some Kanekalon braid. This is a braid that I had before. I used it before, so you don't need to get new hair to do this, right? So I'm just adding in the braid. I'm doing knotless braid here because I don't want the bulge at the top when I'm putting in the faux lock. And not only that, guys, but I added the hair also because I wanted it to have a bit of thickness to it. I didn't want it to look too thin once I started to do the faux lock. So once I added the hair, it would have given it some volume or some thickness. And I'm so sorry I didn't mention it before. What I'm actually putting on my root there is just some edge control to give it to kind of straighten it out a little bit because my hair have not been relaxed for some time now. So the edge control will make it look more sleek. If you want a more detailed video on how to do knotless braids, I do have a video on that, so I'll link it in the card and also in the description. Guys, please do add some hair oil or some grease to your hair while you're doing the braiding, because keep in mind that your hair still needs to be moisturized under all this faux lock. Based on the style that I wanted, I actually wanted like a bob type of style. So this is why I pulled all the hair back in one and I'm cutting it to the length that I wanted. This is the hair that I'm using, guys. Just regular Kanekalon hair in number 27. A few hours later and we're here. I'm almost done with the faux lock. I'm just going to show you how I actually got the faux lock installed. I'm using the crochet method, so I'm just twisting the hair around a little bit, a few times, so that I can pull it through the crochet or through the hole there. Right? Once I do that, I go ahead to pull one end of the hair completely through, and I make one side longer based on the fact that, well, based on the length that I want in the front. I then go ahead to wrap the base of the hair like around twice, and then I just continue wrapping down till I complete the entire braid. I didn't wrap it around more than twice because I didn't want like a really big bulge at the top, but you can do that if you wish to, if that's the style that you're going for. So once I get to the bottom of the hair, guys, I basically split the hair in two that I was using to wrap the hair around with. I split that in two, one side being smaller than the other. The smaller side, the smaller end, is what I use to complete the rest of the wrapping. And then once that's done, I use a lighter to basically seal it off. But you will see all this in more detail once I do the other faux lock. Once I complete sealing the hair, I go right ahead to just cut the ends off and seal that as well with the Now I'm just adding some hair jewels, guys. My hair is all done finally. So I'm just adding the jewels to the hair just to make it a little more prettier, and just fixing up my edges. And then this is basically it. This is basically it for the style.